Jojo, a poor boy, works as a cleaner. He goes to a nearby college every day to clean. One day, he sees a difficult math problem written on the college blackboard. Jojo discovers that the question was written by the college professor. The professor had promised the students that the student who solves this problem will be considered the best in his eyes and will be enrolled in the best university, bringing both respect and wealth. From that moment, Jojo begins to obsess over solving the problem. He even leaves his friend and rushes home. Instead of using the blackboard, he solves the problem repeatedly on the bathroom mirror. Finally, Jojo solves it. Then, he returns to work at the college the next day, and while doing his work, he writes the solution of that question on the blackboard. After a few moments, the professor comes to the college. As soon as the professor comes to the class, his first sight goes to the blackboard, and after seeing the blackboard, he is suddenly stunned that which child has asked such a difficult question. The professor starts asking all the children that you have asked this question. All the children deny it. The professor thinks, who after all has asked this question? One day, Jojo goes towards the city with his friends in a car. There, a group of some boys were playing basketball. Jojo asks them to play. The group of boys refuses to play. Then Jojo and that group get into a fight. Jojo beats a boy a little too much. Little too. Just then, the police arrive and arrest Jojo. Then the professor comes into the class and gives all the students another question. He says that you have 9 days to solve this question, and this time, the question is even more difficult than the first one. Meanwhile, Jojo is also released from jail. His friend goes to pick him up and tells him about the question that this time, the professor has written an even more difficult question. Jojo goes straight to the college and starts solving that question. As soon as the professor leaves the class, his eyes fall on Jojo, and the professor says, "What are you doing here?" Jojo gets scared and runs away from there. The professor returns to the blackboard and finds the problem solved again. Now he understands that Jojo is solving the problem. He immediately sets out to find Jojo. He visits the sanitation worker's office where Jojo used to work. He learns that Jojo didn't do the work himself. It was a social service assignment assigned by the court. Jojo's court hearing is today. The professor goes to court and sees Jojo defending himself with legal wisdom, but he's unable to escape. Then, the professor speaks to the judge, who releases Jojo. Jojo and the professor go to school. The professor makes Jojo solve the problem again. Jojo solves it. The professor has called different teachers to thank Jojo.